And welcome everybody to space and our daily space weather, the daily space weather here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. We've got some composite imagery to show you here, as well as 171 angstroms and lots more, so won't you join us? The sun's been pretty quiet. There's a new beta-class sunspot group rising right here. It's already a sunspot. Make sure you tune into our other two videos coming out later today, basically right after this one, covering additional solar features. So here we are, we've added 304 angstroms here, and that rising region is quite active. It is certainly capable of producing large flares already, having just made its way above the northeast solar limb. You may have been focusing all of your attention on the southern hemisphere of the closest star. It's because that's where the only named sunspot group was, Sunspot 2934. Sunspot 2935 is promising to be interesting. The area above it up here is just a plage. The area down here is an active, already flaring beta-class sunspot. Here's a closer view in that same composite. That's 304 and 171 angstroms from the SDO. Some large filaments in this area remain attached to the solar corona. And here's an extreme close-up. Just spectacular imagery there of soon-to-be-named Sunspot 2935. The 10.7 centimeter radial flux is only at 94 solar flux units. Here's the one-year chart to put that in context from Solon.info. And the Space Weather Enthusiast dashboard not predicting any geomagnetic storms here, just two brief periods of geomagnetic unrest over the next couple days. We may see a minor coronal mass ejection strike. We're not going to worry about it too much. It will be minor. If anything, it was pretty diffuse plasma. Next, looking at seismicity over the past 90 days, and the current status of seismic activity is low. Alaska, one of the earthquake hotspots of the world. No major quakes here over the past 24 hours anyplace. Nothing over a 5 magnitude range, so nothing in the 6 range or higher. Afghanistan saw a 5.0. There was an additional quake there in the Aleutian Islands at a 5.0 magnitude. No big deal. It's pretty unpopulated. Leave us a comment if you've felt an earthquake in the past, I'll say the past week. Next, looking at volcanoes here, we see some changes happening with Kilauea. Let's run down the list here at volcanodiscovery.com. Subanose-jima, erupting flight level 070 from Subanose-jima. That's a 7,000-foot ash plume over the Ryukyu Islands. Kilauea had the Halema-Uma'u crater, and the lava lake associated with it seems to have drained, as well as some effusive eruptions. Effusive eruptions are kind of like glowing Play-Doh coming out of the earth. Fuego in Guatemala is exploding. Flight level 150 from Fuego. Sangay, flight level 210 from Sangay, a 21,000-foot ash plume over Ecuador from Sangay. Revenador, 15,000-foot ash plume from that volcano as it explodes. And we're unable to detect Sabancaya, whether or not it's erupting. Please don't pole vault the caldera. Please do visit our links. If you've never seen our Smash-O merch link, check this out. And here's what you'll find if you do a search for Smash-O-Mash on redbubble.com. That link from our homepage at smashomash.com will take you directly to our own shop. Don't pole vault the caldera. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you check out our other videos. We'll be doing another one about all of the features of the sun, magnetic features, and so on, as well as bonus features talking about things like the ionosphere, GPS errors, and more. We'll see you there at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. Thanks again for tuning in, folks.